Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in KVPY essay 2021 physics paper. This was a slightly better question in the paper from the topic of optics. So let's see what's happening here. This is a point source P which is kept at a distance of h from a 45-45-90 prism. The height of the prism, this is 10 centimeters, which is given in the question. And finally the image is sharp image is formed on this wall. Using this data, we have to find the height of the object from the prism. That means you have to find the value of h, and the this distance is 15 and this distance is 30. So first, we apply the formula of refraction at the plane surface. The light will enter just like this. So you know that mu2 by v is equals to mu1 by u. This is the formula for refraction at the plane surface. So you must have learned this formula like mu2 by mu1 equals to apparent depth upon real depth, right? So mu2 is the medium, mu2 is the refractive index of the medium in which light goes. So light is entering into the prism. So mu2 will be 2, mu1 is air because light comes from air, so it is 1. V is the image distance from this interface, which you call as apparent depth, and u is the actual depth, so which is minus h because the light was coming downward and point P was actually kept upwards, so it will be minus h. So V becomes minus 2h. Minus sign just tells you that the image will be formed above this line. That means somewhere over here. Okay, 2h. Now, so this ray will strike here, and this surface is acting as a plane mirror. So object is kept over here, and this distance we have calculated to be 2h. Let's call this distance to be L1 for the time being. So you understand that if for the plane mirror, image will be formed somewhere over here, right? Because if you see, then this angle is 45-degree. So of course, or you can simply say that you can extend this mirror like this. So basically this is the object. So this distance will be equal to this distance, right? Now, so basically this distance will be 2h plus L1, right? Because this distance is also 2h plus L1. Let me change the color of the pen. So this distance is 2h plus L1. Hence, this distance will also be 2h plus L1, right? Now, this distance is 10 minus L1. So this distance will also be 10 minus L1. So for this, now if you see, light comes, let me again change the color of the pen. Light comes like this. Okay, hold on. I think I should, yes, light comes like this, enters, gets reflected here, and it will go like this. And again, here it will cross the lens. So at this point, if you see, so it is going to strike at 45-degree and like cross this surface again normally. So again, at this point, the object is kept over here. Okay, or this point, object is kept over here. So what is the distance? So we have calculated this to be 2h plus L1. Okay, and this distance is 10 minus L1. So since this angle is 45-degree, so this distance is 10 minus L1. Okay, so for this interface, the distance will become 2h plus L1 plus 10 minus L1. That means 2h plus 10, right? So again, apply the same formula, this formula. This time mu2 will be air. So 1 upon V, that should be is equals to mu1 is 2 upon U is this value 2h plus 10. And we will put a negative sign here because again, light ray is going towards the right direction and the object is kept leftwards. So V ka value will become minus h minus 5. Okay, minus h minus 5, right? Now, so that means the image will be formed at a distance of minus h minus 5 from this surface, which is this surface, and towards left. So for the lens, this distance is 15. So for the lens, this image will act as an object. So for the lens, U will be 15 plus this magnitude wise. Okay. So U will be is equals to minus of 15 plus H plus 5. That means minus of 20 plus H. So applying the lens formula for the lens, so 1 by V, which is 15 because image is formed here. So 15 minus 1 by u will be kept as like this. So this will become positive 20 plus h is equals to 1 upon f. F is given to be 10 centimeters. Okay, so let's solve this quickly. This is 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon 20 plus h. So this becomes, okay, let me have done some error. So 1 upon 20 plus h will be 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. 1 upon 20 plus h will be 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So this will be 15 minus 10 is 5 by 150. That means this is 1 upon 30. That means 20 plus h will be is equals to 30. So h will be is equals to 10. So that means option C will be the correct. Option C will be the correct option. Right? It was a slightly better question in the paper. I hope you would have understood. Thank you.